Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. We recently received one of our customers for assistance in Shelly Cashman Excel 2019 Module 7 SAM Project 1A. Our client provided us some file attachments you can see on your screen, with full instructions to understand the problem. To complete this assignment, follow steps ahead. Here's a summarized solution process for each problem. Step 1. File Setup. Open the provided Excel file and save it with a new name. Step 2. Import data. Import team data from the HTML file into the Asset Management worksheet. Format the imported data as a table, apply styles, and make updates. Delete Chad Johnson's row, replace job titles. Step 3. Formulas. Use the concatenate function to merge first and last names. Apply proper, left, and right functions to format data for specialties and codes. Step 4. Images and charts. Insert and resize images and apply borders and effects. Add SMARTART for organizational hierarchy. Insert a chart to compare investments, transpose data as needed. Step 5. Additional elements. Add captions, use PowerPoint for disclaimer images, and insert conditional formatting with quick analysis.
If you need our help, we provide two types of solution services. First service is an old solution we already have, but that might prompt as plagiarized when someone tries to submit because it has already been used. Second service is to complete it using your given start file and do it completely original. To avail of our help on any assignment, you can contact us on WhatsApp at +44 7309 655268, or log into our website helpandhomework.org and chat with a customer support agent. Thank you for watching this.